Welcome to 3D comparison. So within CATIA functional modeled part, we can actually change the behavior of a feature over here. So for example, I have over here this, which is now set as a core prism. I can right click, go to object, and I can change the functional behavior over here. So in this case, if I would also want this to be shareable, keep in mind that you can stack multiple. For example, I'm going to set it like this. We're going to see that now the profile of the part will look as following. Now I'm going to have over here three shareable prisms. I can also define in work object, and this will only show me the element up to that position, in this case up to shareable prism 3 over here. I can also go one step forward, and I can go all the way to the back, and this will also add those fillets. Now, if I want to change this, I can also change it to a protected. So you're going to see that the ones listed over here on the top, they will not be within the same order. So the shareable will be first, protected second, and we have the internal, external, added, and also core. So in this case, if I'm going to go with a protected for that sketch, everything will be highlighted like this. So that section will now be protected. That means I cannot add anything within that volume over here. I can also change this, for example, to be internal. And in this case, the output will be as following. If I'm going to go in this case with external, it will look as following. So since this was not intended like this will be the output, and this will just add material onto the exterior over here. We can also go to added, and within added, you're going to see the main difference between added and external is that over here on the bottom, I'm going to have material. I will still have over here a small cutout within the part. And we have the last one, which is in this case core. And with core, it will be like this. So if I'm going to go over here within a section, the part will now look as following. Keep in mind that I change over here the core prism 4, so I'm just going to undo. For the added prism, I wanted this to be the core. And this will be the output. As you can see, that will trim the following section over here. And we can further go over here and make this shareable again. So this is why I decided to make this video, because keep in mind that within CATIA functional model part, you can easily change the behavior of a feature. So regardless if it's shareable, protected, internal, external, or if it's core, you can easily change them over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you can go to subscribe. You're going to find a button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.